In today's world, teams handle large volumes of structured data across countless Excel workbooks. Manually merging and validating this data can take weeks, consuming time, accuracy, and valuable resources. To solve this, we've built an Agentic AI Flow, an intelligent automation system that executes structured operations seamlessly and delivers precise, auditable outputs in just minutes. This flow represents the Agentic AI use case built using Colloki Flow, our visual flow builder. Each component in the flow performs a specific task, working together to execute the entire end-to-end process. It starts when the user uploads one or more Excel files. The system validates inputs, merges them into a single structured workbook, and uploads the file securely to the cloud. The Excel URL loader retrieves the file, streams every sheet as a structured dataset, and the type converter prepares this data for intelligent processing. Through the prompt template, rules and thresholds are defined, and the language model. Powered by OpenAI, computes accurate metrics with complete transparency. Finally, the text-to-word uploader converts the processed data into a professional document ready for download or sharing. Now that we've seen how the flow works inside Colloki Flow, let's demonstrate it in the chat agent, with its custom look and feel, and see its output in real time through the chat interface. I'm uploading two Excel files with data. One is balance sheet and another one is P&L sheet. The response you see includes two generated files. One is a merged Excel sheet that combines all the input data. And the other is an investment evaluation report, created with the configured thresholds applied to the merged sheet, producing the final computed results. The generated report is clear, data-backed, and transparent. The Agentic AI Flow processes everything instantly, merging, analyzing, and generating ready-to-use outputs within minutes. The agent generates a complete investment report with clean metrics, normalized financials, and clear value traceability. It also provides rule-based recommendations: go, conditional, or no-go. From a week's manual workflow to a 5-minute autonomous process, the Agentic AI Flow redefines efficiency, transparency, and precision. Build smarter, build faster, build with Colloki.